In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix drift on PlayStation 5 controller Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting stick drift on your DualSense controller and it's affecting games like Fortnite, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to potentially fix it. So, the main way of fixing it is going to be by gently cleaning around the joystick area and making sure that no dust or debris has gotten into the joystick module or joystick unit. So, to do this, all that you have to do is use some compressed air and some cotton swabs or Q-tips, lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. So there's no secret to this. Use compressed air if you have it available or isopropyl alcohol. I do not recommend cleaning it with water because it can leave residue and potentially short circuit or damage your controller. So use either of these and make sure that you do circular motions around the base of the joystick. Try to get it into the holes that you see here on the border and you will be able to clean it thoroughly. Now see if it works. If it still does not work, something else to consider is to do a quick restart. You can restart the console and re-establish the connection so you can disconnect or forget the controller on your PlayStation 5 and then reconnect it using a cable or Bluetooth. By re-establishing the connection, it can oftentimes help clear up temporary glitches that you might be having. And then see if it works again. If it still does not work, then you can try doing circular motions using your palm. So using your palm, press down on the joystick itself until you hear a small click as if you are pressing L3 or R3, and then gently circle it around. Do clockwise motions, and then counterclockwise until you do a lot of those around the joystick and then see if the drift has gone away. If it is still presenting some sort of stick drift, you might have to open the controller, which I know not a lot of people are comfortable with doing, or potentially send it to a repair shop, as there is not much else to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix drift on PlayStation 5 controller Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.